Welcome back to TmezTv. Just pulled up here to the RC car track because I picked up some RC cars. So Santa got me this mini Maxx and it has been pretty slick. I brought it down here last week and all it wanted to do was roll around like this and turn over. So I ordered a car online this week and it just showed up. Brand new Grom BLX, and this thing should be really awesome on the track. I haven't actually ran it. Made sure it was charged and got batteries in it. So I got some buggy tires I was gonna throw on this that should be less grippy and not make it turn over. And yeah, let's do that. Alright, you can see how much bigger these are. So this thing should handle a lot better. And this should be amazing. Hopefully right out of the box. I'm about to go pay for some track time and get these things on the track. Sweet new track layout. All about that. Alright, gonna see how the buggy tires work. Alright, quick tune up here. I don't like these clips here. Got the front end too high and I just lost it. Ooh, there they are. Wow, these things are sticky. That's interesting. Thing's pretty good, really. This thing is pretty quick. A lot faster than that other truck. Thanks again. Alright, this thing rips much faster than the mini Maxx, and this is just bone stock, ready to run right out of the box. Comes with a charger, batteries, everything. Boom. One pull, it's off. Shut that off. Shut this off. This is the charger for it, and all you need is that. That's it, she's charging. Each corner has a little clip. You unpop it and boom. This one is the same way. So you take this little charger, boom, plug it into there, USB, and this thing is good to go. The kids were beating on this thing and couldn't hurt it, so. All right, that was a lot of fun. So the Mini Maxx with the buggy tires actually was funner to drive. The little buggy is super fast. It's just, if you got excited and started driving it hard, it would turn itself over. So just needs some different tires. Well, that was a lot of fun. Both of these cars, bone stock, other than the tires, and those tires were awesome on the carpet track for this. And the little Typhon Grom is super fast. The tires have a little bit too much grip, but I feel like the carpet actually has goo on it because they're stickier than they were when they got here. So, very cool. Man, I'm only talking, I think it was like 240 bucks for this and 270 for that. Pretty fun little toys. Didn't break anything. I've been through a couple batteries now. Back to the real world. Need to go drop off my rental car and get ready for the Chili Bowl. Hey, thanks for watching TmezTv. Chili Bowl's coming up this week. Got a ton of content coming. I'm out.